Okay. Okay. Fixed.
No! No! Ah! No, please.
No,
No!
please. Ah! Denny was banned for 10 minutes, I think. I'm pretty sure I said I put 10 minutes. It might have been longer. I mean, he basically asked for it. I should use the other, like, I just using a lot of TTS, and I thought it would be funny to time him out for a long time. Who, me? Sorry, that's the noise cancellation. I mean, you don't really abuse it, Hush. It's just, it's funny to, yeah, the noise cancelling. It's not that I don't want you guys to use the TTS. It's just that, you know, if somebody's gonna use it because it's funny to do like a really annoying sound, I'm gonna ban it. I'm gonna time them out because I think that's funny. You know, tit for tat. Yeah, true. Like the first couple of times is funny, and then after that, it's like, yeah, exactly, exactly. You got it right, Hush. I said once. You don't want to call it love. Like if you guys can be funny, I can be funny too, right? Uh-huh. This is kind of dodgy. Not my fave.
That wonderful girl.
Angela!
Could she be any cuter? Who's that wonderful girl?
Fucking got him. That's your opinion, Larry? Yeah. Well, you ruined it for everybody else, but Benny. So I think that's fair. I just thought it was funny to time you out. I thought it would be pretty funny to time you out for when other people do it too. Hopefully the 10 minutes timeouts make it so that the times that you do it is like a selected time and not like 20 times a frame, right? Because like there are people who like literally turn the volume for the stream off because of the TTS, right? So like if it's making the stream like not fun to watch for other people, then I'm gonna like, try to make it more fun for other people as well. If that makes sense. Does that make sense? I think it makes sense. I just think it's hilarious to time you out if somebody else do it.